Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Today, we are diving into one of the top-rated sewing machines, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 High-Speed Sewing Machine. This machine is considered one of the best Singer sewing machines for home use, combining power, speed, and versatility into a single, affordable package. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 has everything you need to take your sewing projects to the next level. First off, let's talk about power. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 features a strong motor that offers 50% more power than traditional machines. This means it can easily handle thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather without breaking a sweat. If you've been looking for a machine that can tackle heavy-duty projects, this one is designed with you in mind. But don't worry if you're working on lighter fabrics. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is just as effective for projects like quilting or creating delicate home decor items. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its speed. With a top speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you'll be able to complete projects much faster than with other models. Whether you're hemming a pair of jeans or sewing up a set of curtains, the high-speed stitching will help you finish up in no time. But just because it's fast, it doesn't mean it sacrifices quality. The full metal frame ensures that your stitches stay consistent and smooth, even at high speeds. You can be confident that every stitch will be precise and flawless, no matter how complex the fabric. The versatility of this machine is another reason why it's so popular. With 69 stitch applications, you have a wide variety of options at your disposal. From basic straight stitches to decorative stitches for more creative projects, this machine can do it all. It's the perfect tool for everything from mending your favorite sweater to creating intricate designs on fashion garments. And let's not forget the 4 built-in presser feet, which include a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, and general purpose foot, all of which make sewing even more convenient. For those who are tired of constantly adjusting their bobbin or losing track of their thread, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 features a top drop and bobbin system. The transparent cover allows you to easily monitor the thread, preventing interruptions mid-seam. This thoughtful design ensures that your sewing experience is as smooth as possible. Plus, with the included LED lighting, you won't have to strain your eyes, even during late-night sewing sessions. In terms of durability, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 shines. Its heavy-duty metal frame is built to last, providing stability even when working with thicker fabrics. This means you won't have to worry about the machine skipping stitches or wobbling during your most demanding projects. So, if you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and powerful sewing machine that's perfect for home use, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is an excellent choice. It offers everything you need to take on both heavy and light fabric projects with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this sewing machine will definitely elevate your sewing game. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products on the market. Happy sewing!